Blwyddyn 3, good morning year 3. Rydw i'n defnyddio hwn achos dyma fyddai'n defnyddio ar bore dydd Llun pan dych chi'n dod nôl i'r ysgol. I'm using this because I'll be using this on Monday when you come back to school and for every day that you are back until the end of term. Felly, eich slot chi, your slot year 3 for parents and children to listen is 8:45 to 9 o'clock. 8:45 tan 9 o'r gloch. Mi fydd y gatiau yma rai mawr ar gau. There will be no buses and therefore these gates will be closed. Os gallwn ni ofyn yn garedig i chi i barcio rhieni yn ddiogel yn y maes parcio a peidio parcio lle mae yna conau. If we can ask you to please park and not park where there are any cones in order for us to adhere to social distancing guidance. Yna, am 8:45, mi fydda i at 8:45, I will be here and I will ask the children of year 3 to come out of their cars or to walk social distancing on the pavement to this gate here, please, at Mrs Evans yn fan hyn, i'r gat yn fan hyn. Mi fyddwch chi wedyn dim ond y plant, only the children, no parents beyond the car park, please, for your own safety and for ours and the children. Mi fydd y plant yn cerdded tuag at Mrs Drake a Mr Evans. Dyma nhw, 3A a 3B. Felly yn gyntaf, byddai'n gofyn, first I will ask years 3A to come out of the car or to walk, socially distancing, towards Miss Drake and stand on the X's that have been placed on the floor. Sefyll ar y croesau sydd yna yn barod i chi. Felly, 3A, os gwelwch yn dda, a newch chi ddod allan o'ch ceir neu cerdded. Lawr at Mrs Drake. Down to Mrs Drake. As I said, no parents beyond this point. Dim rhieni, os gwelwch yn dda, yn bellach na maes parcio yr ochr yna i'r gatiau. Unwaith i 3A fod yn ei lle, 1-3A ar y necklace, we will then ask 3B. Dod trwy'r gat at Mr Evans. Oh, maen nhw'n cerdded yn wych, drych o, walking superbly, showing social distance. Felly dyma nhw yn cyrraedd 3B. Mae Mrs Drake yn gallu mynd o'i blant ti ydy cefn i'r meithrin. Yr un bydd y drefn yn y nos. It will be the same as night. Your children will arrive in same spaces at night where you have seen them off in the morning. Ni fyddwch chi yn cael dod trwy y gatia. You will not be able to come through the gates. Diolch yn fawr. Felly, dyna nhw yn mynd off i fwynhau diwrnod yn ysgol. Year 3 off, enjoying their days in school. Diolch yn fawr.
Reit y blantos, ar ôl cerdded heibio y meithrin, byddwn ni'n cerdded ar draws y iard ac yn stopio ar bwys yn drws i. So once we've passed the nursery, we'll just keep on walking 2 metres apart and then we'll stop outside my classroom, still 2 metres apart. Felly, heddiw, Mr Evans, yn aelod o 3A, bant ni! Felly byddwn ni'n stopio, Mrs Drake ar bwys y drws a phawb arall 2 metr i ffwrdd. So I'll stop by the door first and then everybody else to stop 2 metres apart before we take the next step.
Ar ôl dod heibio y meithrin, fyddwn ni rwan yn dechrau cerdded ar draws y iard gan gofio cadw 2 fetr i ffwrdd o'i gilydd. After we go past the nursery, we're going to go across the yard, keeping 2 metres apart. I've got a child in my class today, Mrs Drake. Y plentyn yn fy nosbarth i heddiw yw Mrs Drake. So ffwrdd â ni! Cynnar, rydyn ni'n stopio tu allan I drws y dosbarth. We stop outside the class door, 2 metres apart. Ar ôl cyrraedd y dosbarth, mae pawb yn cadw 2 fetr I ffwrdd. After reaching the class, everyone's still 2 metres apart, then I will go in first. Mi a fi fe'n gyntaf, a mi fydda I yn rhoi diheintydd ar fy nwylo. I will put some sanitizer on my hands. I don't need to touch the bottle, just the top. Dydw I ddim angen cyffwrdd yn y botel, dim ond ar dop y botel. Yna, byddai'n dweud wrth y plentyn gyntaf I ddod I fewn. Mi fyddai'n symud 2 metr y ffwrdd. The next child will come in, do the same thing, and I will move 2 metres back. Everyone else will still be outside 2 metres apart. Yna, ar ôl rhoi diheintydd ar eich dwylo, byddai'n dweud wrth chi lle I eistedd, felly Mrs Drake, chi'n gallu eistedd gan ein eistedd yna. Ac yna, byddai'n tynnu'r cot gyda tu ôl I gader. So after you put the disinfectants on your hands, I will tell you where to sit. You can take your coat off, put it behind your chair, and your bags under the table, the bag or down the box. Ac yna, byddai'n gallu eistedd yna. Ar ôl I barod gwneud hynny, byddwn ni yna yn mynd un ar y tro I olchi ein dwylo yn yr ardal. After everyone's done that, we'll be going one at a time to the areas that everyone can then wash their hands in the sink. Helo blant, dwi am ddangos I chi nawr beth yw'r drefn pan ydyn dod I golchi ein dwylo. I'm going to show you now what the arrangements are for washing our hands. So, 3A will wash their hands in this sink, and 3B will wash their hands in this sink. 3A ar yr ochr yma, a 3B ar yr ochr yma. Rydyn ni'n cerdded i'r sink, a dim ond un plentyn fydd yma ar y tro. There will only be 1 child by the sink at any one time. So we turn on the water, wet our hands, glychu ein dwylo, cael chydig o sebon ym mhobman. Make sure you get the soap everywhere. Once you have a bit of soap on your hands, then we need to start singing Happy Birthday, making sure that we go in between the fingers, across our hands, underneath our fingernails, and up the wrist. Okay, mae angen gwneud yn siŵr I bod ni'n golchi ym mhobman, rhwng y bysedd, tu cefn y dwylo, dan y gewin, a croesi y dwylo hefyd. Felly, fe am I chi ganu gyda ni. And now rydyn ni'n barod I olchi y sebon I gyd ffwrdd. We're ready to wash all the soap away. Now, it's very important that we don't put the tap off yet. Peidio rhoi y tap I ffwrdd eto. Yn gyntaf, rydyn ni'n cymryd papur glas, sychu ein dwylo. First, we get some of the blue paper to dry your hands, and then use the blue paper to turn the tap off. And then we're going to put the blue paper in the bin in your class. It's very important that these do not stay by the sink. Mae'n andros o bwysig bod rhaid yn mynd i'r bin a nid yn cael ei adael ar bwys y sink.
Fel ydych chi'n sylwi, mae'r ardal yn edrych dipyn bach yn wahanol ar hyn o bryd, ond peidiwch becso, mae tap ar y llawr i'n atgoffa ni I gadw 2 fetr ar y wahân, felly os yw'n rhywun yn sefyll ble mae'n ystafus, Yna rydw i'n gwybod i beidio mynd yn agosach na ble mae y linell yn dangos i fi. Hefyd, pan fyddwn ni yn mynd nôl mewn i'r dosbarth ar unrhyw amser, fel chi'n gweld, mae yna orsaf tu allan bob dosbarth gyda diheintydd dwylo a bydd rhaid defnyddio hwnna eto cyn gallu mynd nôl mewn i'r dosbarth.
Well, the area looks slightly different. We've placed tape on the floor so that they are 2 meters apart. So if I was stood by here, the next person would have to be stood by the next line where Mrs. Drake is too. Also, outside your classes, you have stations with sanitizer, so that when you're walking back to your class, you'll have to sanitize your hands once again. Helo blant, wrth i ni gerdded o gwmpas yr ysgol hefyd, mae gyda ni system un ffordd. As we're walking around the school, we have a one-way system. Felly pan rydych chi'n dod o adar blwyddyn 3 a 4, mae'n bwysig eich bod chi'n cerdded draw ffordd hyn. Dydych chi ddim yn gallu mynd draw at blwyddyn 5. You won't be able to go over to year 5. You'll have to walk this way. Hey, girls,